I enjoy unboxing and reviewing products, specifically those that I'm extremely excited for. And in today's video, I wanted to introduce you guys to Oxilam. Oxilam creates LED bulbs that are superior to what's already available in the market. Automotive LED bulbs, including LED headlights, fog lights, turn signals, pretty much you name it, they have it. And not only at a fast shipping, but also at a great price. I enjoy when they have gloves for you to use. This is very nice. They also have a small manual, which you probably won't be using as these are fairly easy to install. This shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. And I must say, I am highly impressed by the packaging of these headlights. Moving on to the headlight bulbs themselves, we have an upgraded 2024 Oxilam headlight bulb with 24,000 lumens, 100 watts, and this will give you 700% more brightness than your regular standard halogen bulbs. I also want to point out that this is built with a ultra thin copper plate, which means that it's very lightweight but very durable. I am highly impressed by the build quality of these headlight bulbs. They have their own fan. They're built very strong, which means that they are going to be very durable for any type of weather. They are also built campus ready, which eliminates any need for external drives, and they are smart built. I wanted to give a huge shout out to Oxilam for sponsoring this video. Oxilam and I have partnered to provide you guys with the latest and greatest on their products. Also, giving you a discount of 20% by using my link down below with the code C3S Garage on your next purchase. With that being said, thank you Oxilam for sponsoring this video, and let's get started with the installation. For this installation, we're going to be using my brother's 2015 GMC Sierra, and I must say I love these headlights, and I actually love the style of this particular GMC. He is using an aftermarket set of headlight bulbs, and he also has a almost tinted headlight look as well, so he gets brightness but not as much as you want. So I think this would be a great experiment for us to test out the new Oxilam headlights. We obviously need to put our white gloves on because this is a white glove service and the truck is extremely dirty. We're going to go ahead and remove a cap that I failed to show in video, but we're going to go ahead and remove the cap, and these are the headlight bulbs that he's currently using. And as you can tell, these are fairly nice. However, there's a ton of cables, there's a CAN bus, there's just a lot of wiring there that we don't want anymore. And with the new Oxilam headlight bulbs, we don't get any of that. So I think this is going to be a perfect install, and it's going to be a lot cleaner. One thing that I wanted to point out is that while removing these headlight bulbs, I noticed that they were extremely hot, not just the headlight bulb, but also the cable. And I don't necessarily like that. I would like for it not to get as warm, because if you are under the wrong circumstances, you may be able to burn the cable and cause a fire. And here we have both of them side by side. As you can tell, the Oxilam's headlight bulbs are a lot more compact. They seem a lot more robust. They have their AC vents all included in one. There's also no cables around, which means that this is almost like an OEM replacement headlight bulb for this truck. I think the best part of this is that the installation is extremely easy. All you have to do is connect, insert, turn, and you're done. Once after you have done all these steps, all you have to do is test it out. Now for the moment of truth. This is the headlight bulb in all its glory. As you guys can tell, the headlight bulb shines a lot brighter than the one previously. I just want to point out how easy this installation was. And for just a quick comparison, I want to point out that the one that's right next to the tripod is the new one, and the old one is the one that's on the farther right side. You can just tell the immense difference between the two headlights. It is incredible how one is extremely shiny and the other one is kind of dim. Keep in mind that these headlights are tinted, so the amount of light that you're getting from these headlights is amazing. Now that we're happy with our headlights and we've tested them out, let's make sure that we put the cap back on just in case of a rainy day. Moving on to the right side, this is where things get a little bit complicated. I try to do it the easy way because I was being lazy, but you will have to remove the cold air intake for easier access to the headlight encasing. Otherwise you're gonna struggle. I do have very skinny hands and very skinny arms, so I was able to do it, but I don't recommend this as you may damage either the headlight or the encasing, so don't do it. This is a job that should take you no more than 10 minutes, even while you're removing the cold air intake. So take your time. It's not a job that's gonna take you forever, but it will make a huge difference. And I must say, Oxilam came through with these headlight bulbs. These are amazing. You can really tell the difference at night. And I think we chose to do it at night for that same reason, because we wanted to really test it out. But as you guys can tell, you still have access to your high beams, your low beams, but they are extremely well centered, well laid out, well positioned for your viewing angles. I wouldn't be too excited for the guy in front of them if they're driving a small car, but This is Texas, so we do drive big trucks. With that being said, thank you so much Oxilam for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in this product or any of the other products for off-road vehicles or any other vehicle, head over to oxilam.com and don't forget to use my code C3SGarage for a discount. As always, thank you so much everyone for watching. If you guys are interested in any more of these videos, do let me know down in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.